this Jack's Brooke, let's see.
Come on, let's go.
Hey guys.
No, leave them alone.
You want a toy? Who wants a toy?
Then that's gonna make Zoe lose. Come on.
You can do it. Come on, Zoe, I'll even help you. Can I help her for her first fall?
No.
Come on.
No.
Come on, Zoe, over here. Over here, over here.
Then she's gonna stop. Not go and then play with you.
Come on. Come here, over here. Come here. Come on, Zoe, oh yeah.
You can do it. Come on. Uh-oh. What? Stay, Jules. She gave up.
Jules, you win. You're the big bad wolf. The big bad wolf.
Zoe,
Come on. Right, I want to help out Zoe.
come on, let's go.
Really? You watch this again?
Zoe won that one. Good girls.